Hello everyone, I'm Soumita and today we are going to tell the beautiful story of Cinderella through painting. We are gonna use gouache colors from Himi. Let's start by sketching Cinderella in her beautiful gown. Let's quickly remind ourselves the story of Cinderella. So we have our main character Cinderella. She's kind and beautiful, but she's treated unfairly by her wicked stepmother and sisters. Then one day, a magical fairy godmother appears and helps Cinderella get ready for the royal ball. But there's one rule: she must return before midnight. At the ball, she meets the prince and they fall in love. And there's a happy ending when the prince finds her again with a glass slipper. Now, let's add some color to Cinderella's gown. She wears a magical blue dress that sparkles. So we are going to use a light blue color for the dress and a little bit of white for that sparkly touch. Fill in Cinderella's dress with light blue paint. You can use broad strokes just like I'm doing here, and don't worry about staying inside the lines. This is your painting and it's all about having fun. Use light blue color for the upper area of her dress. Take a little bit of dark blue paint and add it to the edges of the dress. This will make it look magical, like it's glowing. Now add her skin color. Add some highlights. Color her hair with some yellow colors. Add some detailings in face and hair. Now let's use blue color to make a soft dreamy background, maybe a little pink and silver stars. Almost done. The last thing we're going to do is add a few little sparkles around Cinderella. And there you have it, your very own Cinderella story in a painting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment telling me what part of the Cinderella story you enjoyed the most. And if you create your own Cinderella painting and want to post on Instagram, do tag me Miss Chitrakar and Thoovi Arts. Happy painting!